What up, guys? Mr. Technical Difficult here. Catching more child predators. Go into a chat room, say, hey, I'm a 13-year-old horny female. Add me on Skype for a good time. That's the only way these people could have added me on Skype. They knew I was a 13-year-old. There's no question that they thought maybe I was an older person. Definitely thought I was a 13-year-old, and I bust them red-handed. It's kind of gross. Some of the dudes, right when you get into a chat with them, they don't even want to talk or nothing. They're already so enjoy.
Acts like an old dude. Unmute yourself with ice cream in the background.
The ice cream man's coming. He just had his finger hovering over.
He's still there.
Hey, Fletcher! You ever heard of the internet, you old
Fletcher!
This is going on it. Gotcha, bitch. Gotcha, bitch. You just got a straight up prank going for 13-year-old girls. How do you feel about yourself? How do you feel about yourself? He just goes, bad. I just told him straight up right there. Say he's 23. I said I'm 13. Have a seat, sir. I said I was 13. I don't show tits until I see face, though. Okay, I wasn't asking to see your tits anyway. What size are they? Ah! Dang it, he left. Damn it.
Get your jollies off to this one, boy.
Oh, hello? Oh, hold on one second. Hello?
Oh, dude! I said I was 13! God, that guy was fucking nasty.
News of Operation Overlord was greeted with relief and elation.
Are those titties good enough, you pedophile fuckface?
What's his name?
Look at this guy. Yeah, it's loading. Oh, he's straight stroking it right now. Beef stroking off. One sec. Slow down, Billy. Answer me. Take your hand off, man. Oh, he just went straight to dick to keyboard, and then his little sister's gonna come in there and use the keyword later. Keep stroking, keep stroking, keep Oh, yeah. Oh, you fucking